Here we go. The lacquer is on. Clear coat even. This is, how many have we done on the car? I think it's a 4th coat on the car now, the body itself. And yeah, it looks pretty awesome. It has highlighted some flaws, but like I say, I'm not a professional, but I haven't wet sanded or anything yet, but it's got a really, really glossy finish on it. I'm really chuffed. There are a few bits, if you catch it at the wrong light, where obviously I'll spray the metallic and it's sort of grouped up at a certain point, so it just looks like a darker line than the clearer line. But it will be wet sanded once it's all dried. We've done the back of the doors and bonnet, so this is that's the first coat on the boot and doors. This is really good. Yeah, so really happy how it's come out. Like, so you can see some flaws. Obviously there's a bit of orange peel there, but I've probably got at least another 2 coats on the door. This door's got a few runs on it, so I'll sand those, wet sand those back. Another one down there somewhere. But yeah, it's looking pretty awesome. So I'll get this video up and I'll continue on with some more lacquering.